Divine Leave-In 10-in-1. The new Divine Leave-In 10-in-1 uniquely combines stain repair powers and instant protection for strands. It provides shine, hydration, softness, anti-breakage action, thermal protection, light styling, UV protection, anti-frizz action, suppleness, and strength to the hair. Apply Divine Leave-In 10-in-1 directly to damp hair. Start at the ends and gently go up, avoiding the roots. There is no need to rinse. Finish as you wish. My pro tip: the Divine Leave-In 10-in-1 works best for thick and dry hair and can be used on a regular basis. And for those who are going to the beach, it's a perfect product to be used before and after entering the sea to protect the hair. So guys, those were my product tips for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to check out the previous ones. See you soon and bye bye!